Hello Year 3 and welcome back to your second spelling lesson this week. Hopefully you've been doing lots of practice on Spelling Shed. Remember, with your spelling list as well, you could always do some rainbow writing, you could put the words in your own sentences, you could look at the meanings if you're not sure, so you can use any extra time you've got to practice your spellings. Okay, here is your task for today. You'll notice up here we've got our prefix from last week, which was dis, and we've got our prefix this week, which is miss. Now, although they both mean and do the job of giving a word a negative meaning, so change the meaning to be the opposite, we can't just put any old one in front of a root word. They have to stick to certain words. So I hope that you can remember some of them from last week. What I would like you to do is this. On your page, you could split it into two, and I would like you to write the headings dis and then miss. And then under each heading, write out the whole word, so the prefix and the root word, depending on whether they have dis as their prefix or miss as their prefix. So for example, we've got dis here, and I know that it's disobey, not misobey. So I would put disobey under my dis column. Let's just take another one. Take. Now, is that distake or mistake? I know from my spelling words this week that it's mistake, so that would come under my miss column. And do that for all of the words. Pause the video, give yourself some time to do it and check them through. If you read them out, often you'll be able to hear to check to see if they are right. Okay, so pause the video now because the answers are coming up. All right, all of the ones in red should be under your dis column. So we would have disobey, dismount, disappoint, disable, dislike, disassemble, and disapprove, and any of them left in white should be under your miss column. So we've got mistake, misguided, misspell, misunderstand, misled, and misread. So check that you've got those correct and just give yourself a little tick if you have done. Well done. If not, don't worry. Just have a check where you went wrong. And I'll see you on Friday for our final spelling lesson of this week, where we'll take a little test to check how many of our spellings we've learnt. Okay, good job Year 3.